Hello Android users, if you notice that your videos are not being backed up in your WhatsApp, so this is for Android users mainly, then I'm going to tell you how you can include your videos as well in the backup option. It is definitely going to increase the data that is being backed up, but if you want it, then go to the settings of your WhatsApp. Firstly, open your WhatsApp and tap on three dots on top right corner, tap on settings, scroll it down, go to the chat backup area, and again scroll and you will see option of include videos right in front of it. You may also check later that if you actually require it or not, so choose wisely. Here is option to tap on that button. Once it is on in green color, you will be sure that the videos will be included in your backup. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!